So hello everyone, my name is Greg Kearns. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer of the Children's Mercy Hospital in Kansas City, Missouri, and the Associate Chair of the Department of Pediatrics there. And I also function as the Director of the Pharmacology Core for the Pediatric Trial Network. The Clinical Pharmacology Core for the Pediatric Trial Network is located at the Children's Mercy Hospital, my institution in Kansas City. And it's really a facet of the PEDS trial network that adds a different dimension to it. And the dimension is the group in Kansas City has really complementary expertise with other investigators in the network. Our focus is in the arena of drug metabolism, pharmacogenetics, and genomics, and how those things work to improve the design of a clinical trial for children. So every study that the Pediatric Trial Network conceives of, every one that we think about, we write down, we reduce it to a protocol, our Clinical Pharmacology Core looks at it and says, what things must we do? What can we find out? What's the value added? Is there some piece of science that'll come out of this trial that we might not otherwise find? And really that sums up our activity. We look at it with a different lens, but at the end of the day, one that helps make the whole picture, which is a successful completed trial. The group in Kansas City has real strength in the area of developmental pharmacology. So how the pharmacokinetics of a drug change with age, or the pharmacodynamics of the action, and then the overlay of genetics and why that adds measures of variability. So we really look at it from, I guess, that three-way prism, if you will, and concentrate the data in such a way that it all makes sense and that it adds value. And that's the thing. Pediatric trials, as all who do them know, are very different from adult trials, not just because we have children in them, but because compared to adults, we have fewer children in the trial. We have a far bigger diversity in the population because of this overlay of age and development. But we want the same information at the end of the day. We want generalizable information that would inform the use of the medicine, make it safer, make it more effective. And the only way we can do that is to make sure that we squeeze every bit of valuable scientific information out of every trial that we do, so that the potential benefits ultimately to kids all around in the country, the US and beyond, that we realize those benefits. If we just looked in one dimension, we'd throw the baby out with the bathwater, and we don't want to do that.